This is the Combo T, thin LED exit light combo with adjustable lamp shown in red and also available with green letters. 2 fully adjusted LED lamps that can be adjusted up and down and side to side up to 300 degrees. Towards the bottom, you see both the LED AC indicator light and push to test button. The blank faceplate can be swapped with the extra faceplates to make it a double-sided sign. Towards the top, you'll find the removable cover to access the mounting bracket snap-on point. 2 removable arrows are found to mark the appropriate path of egress. Inside, you'll find wire nuts, red and white installation wires, mounting bracket and installation manual. The Combo T series is equipped with 2 batteries. The battery located towards the bottom left must be connected. This combo unit is designed with 10 color matching bright LEDs. The blank faceplate has different knockouts for wall installations. Snap the faceplates back in place, and that's our Combo T series combo exit sign. Thank you for watching.